Okay, here I'm continue use this ruby color. Yeah, I love this color. 米拉帮我倒点水。Okay, so here we are going to use the piece of the chain and use the chain maker a piece of the bracelet. Okay, let's go. Here I'm going to use this chain. I'm going to use this chain. This is a nice designed chain. And if I wanted to make the bracelet, let me show you. Okay, so if we wanted to make a piece of the bracelet, let's see what's the materials that we need. If we make a chain bracelet, we need a chain. Yeah, a chain. We need the, if you are new starter, you will be confused when get a chain how to make a bracelet or necklace. Here to show you chain. Then of course you need the clasp. Yeah, you need the clasper here to make the lock. Yeah, but how to attach the clasper on the chain? Yeah, we need to understand. Yeah, how I attach the clasper with the chain? Okay, it's a jump ring. Yeah, it's a jump ring. It's a kind of the small jump ring. Here the jump ring is linked together like a chain, but we use it one by one. Okay, jump ring, the chain, the clasp. Okay, then here we go start to show you how to make a very easy bracelet. Now we make a bracelet only by the chain, no beads. Okay, so I measure it on my hand. If you are make by yourself, you measure it on your hand. Yeah, so cut the chain. Okay, we cut this piece of the chain. So this is the material 1, 2, 3. We can make a bracelet. Then we will be going to attach the chain clasp by the jump ring. So I will use this plier. This is the flat plier. One flat plier, one jump ring tool. Okay. We are here to see it very detailed about how to make it. And the jump ring, put your plier here, how to open and hang the jump ring on the chain. Plier here at 3 o'clock. And when at 3 o'clock, you just see your hand is, you are not handle your plier like this. Yeah, like this is too far away. You cannot control it well. Your hand here near this part. Okay, so that it can be stronger when you do with the jump ring. The jump ring will not move. Okay, here then 3 o'clock at this side and 9 o'clock at this side. Open here. So it's like this. Then you are going to hang on the clasper. You are going to hang on the chain and you close. Move it back. Okay, so your clasper and your chain, they are attached together. This skill you need more practice so that you can make the jump ring here. The purpose is the space here. between the jump ring here, the space here is very perfect neat. If here there is a big space, after long time the chain will be drop away. So when you close the jump ring, it's very important to close it very neat. No big space here. Okay, so it's like this. And another side, if you feel that the size of the bracelet is perfect for yourself, that is okay. But if you are do the jewelry business, of course you want to let your customer select the piece of the lens. So here you can use the extender chain. Here, this one open, hang on. This one here. Extend the chain. The purpose is to adjust the length. So then we are see it. Open the clasp, wear it here, close. So a bracelet finish. Yeah, a bracelet finish. Okay, then we want to make some other bracelet. Yeah, because we sell a lot of the different chain. Not only this design, we have some other design of the chain. So we're going to make in another design. If only the chain by the metal, it's not so much special, not so much different. So if we want to make something different, let's go to show you. I'm here use this paper clip. Yeah, this one, the paper clip. Okay, so for a normal size of the length of the bracelet, do you think how long? I show you. Normally for a bracelet, it's size 6.5. Yeah, we can cut it to 6.5 inch. Yeah, inch. Okay. Then, if I feel that the piece of the chain only wear like this, it seems not so beautiful. So I wanted to attach something different. So I want to dangle some charms, yeah, or dangle some beads. Here I have the beads, so we dangle the beads. Okay, here this one, the beads, we can put it 5-piece beads. I want to put 5 pieces of the beads on this chain. So how we can put it? This is the 0.4 millimeter wire. It's not only the way to make the ring, we can use it to make a bracelet. Okay, so we will cut it 2 inch each. Yeah, we cut 5 pieces of wire in 2 inch. Okay, 5 pieces of the wire in 2 inch. Here, this way, one side short, one side longer. Today I introduce it for new starter, so I see it very details. Yeah, one short, one longer, and fold it in this way. Then twist. After fold it, you need to twist. Fold it. Twist. here, fold, twist one time. So this is a tutorial for new starter. If you are first time in my live streaming, here will be a very good place for you to learn the jewelry making. If you are interested, thank you to follow me. Twist here. Twist. Okay, so here 5 beads, and we are going to want to attach it beads on the chain. Here plier, put here. So wrap a loop, step by step to show you details. This is the way that's how the jewelry factory make. So you learn from here, you will find that the jewelry factory make the same here, and you are start to be more professional. Okay, here factory always get the way faster and easy, because so that the worker can make it faster, the cost will be better. Thank you. Hi, Kate. Okay, 5 pieces, we finish the loop. Then we attach the piece of the beads on this chain. How to attach? First, we are use 5 beads. So the beginning, I'm going to find where is the middle. The middle link. Okay, thank you so much, Janelle, for you. Okay, so attach the piece of the beads on the middle link. Yeah, middle link, we attach the beads. Okay, then we are going to put it the distance. Okay, so here I feel this part is the next. Here. 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 Okay, so we are attached the beads on the chain, but now it's with so many wire, we need to lock the beads on. So here we're going to lock. Plier, we are going to use this round plier is the one we are used to make the loop. Okay, so here when we start to wrap, don't forget your plier is tight the loop and also tight this wire. Tight the loop and tight the wire here, like this. Then let's go. Wrap and wrap here, this way. Cut. Here. This one. Tight. Okay. Cut. Okay, then the next tight, and the wrapper. And the cut, and the cut. And this one. Tight, wrapper, wrapper, here. So this is the way how to attach the beads on the chain. You got it, my dear? If you are first time here, thank you to follow me. And the tight. Copper wire is not only for the beads or for the ring. We are using to make the bracelet. Here. Cut. Okay. Then the same as this bracelet, we get a piece of the clasp. Here we need the jump ring. Here we need the extender chain. This one, extender chain. Here. This one. Tight. Open. Hang on. Attach. Here. Well, the copper 10-inch. Do you mean the copper wire? Copper wire non-10-inch. Our copper wire non-10-inch. And our chain is not made by copper. Our chain is all in stainless steel materials with the vacuum plating. So our chain is waterproof and non-10-inch. You can wear it to go shower, go swimming, no problem. In my shop, when you order the materials, you don't worry about quality. Yeah. If any quality problem, just come back to me, ask for refund. Yeah. Our chain, even the small jump ring, even the small clasp, they are all stainless steel. I'm confident on my materials, so you never worried about it. So this is one of the way that's to make like this. So let's wear it. Okay, this one we make it come out the different look, right? So you see, it is come a chain bracelet with the beads. Okay, so how to attach the beads on the chain? Got it? Next, we're going to share with you another one.